Welcome to Deep Dumps. At Deep Dumps, our mission is to help you pass your certification exams with confidence. Gain access to the latest exam dumps, PDFs, and online practice tests, all carefully updated to match real exam patterns. With our exam-ready study material, you'll always have the right resources at your fingertips whenever you need them. Thousands of learners trust Deep Dumps, and top performers consistently rely on our material to clear exams on their very first attempt. We back you with 24/7 customer support via email or live chat. And our dedicated experts are always ready to solve your technical doubts and guide you step by step. Download important questions and answers in PDF. Practice with high-quality questions and detailed explanations, and move closer to guaranteed success. Visit deepdumps.com today and succeed in one go. Question 1. Before the hardening process, your customer identified a PSM Universal Connector executable that will be required to run on a PSM. Which file should you update to allow this to run? Option A. PSM Configure App Locker XML. Option B. PSM Hardening XML. Option C. PSM App Config XML. Option D. PSM Configure Hardening XML. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. PSM Configure App Locker.xml. Question 2. As Vault Admin, you have been asked to configure LDAP authentication for your organization's CyberArk users. Which permissions do you need to complete this task? Option A. Audit users and add network areas. Option B. Audit users and manage directory mapping. Option C. Audit users and add, update users. Option D. Audit users and activate users. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. Audit users and manage directory mapping. Visit deepdumps.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Deep Dumps. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.